Hello friends, welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this tutorial, we will discuss about how to create a relational connection based upon SAP HANA. So, let us see how to create the relational connection that can be used to connect to the SAP HANA database layer to design the data foundation layer for the BO reporting in a universe. So, we will go directly to the system and see how we can create it. So if we go here and if we go to the IDT, which is to create the semantic layer in business objects. So here we can create the relational connection for SAP HANA system. So first of all, we have to create a local project. So if we go here and if we go to the new project, here we have to give the project name. So let's say if we give test_HANA. And then we will click on finish. So now we have a local project in the IDT where we can create our resources and then we can publish them to the repository. So here if we right click and click on the new and if we go to the relational connection here. So in this window, first of all, we have to give the name. So let's say if we give rel_HANA_con. And if we want to give any description, we can write the description here. Now we will go to next. In this window, we have to select the driver for your database middleware. So in this case, we have to go to SAP. And then if we expand, we will be able to see SAP HANA Database 1.0. If we expand, we can use the JDBC drivers or we can use the ODBC drivers. So for now, we will select the JDBC drivers. And we will go to next. In this window, we have to first of all specify the authentication mode. If we go to the drop down, we can see we can use the business objects credential mapping, we can use the single sign-on, and we can use the specified username and the password. So for now, we will use the specified username and the password. Here we have to give the username and the password using which we can connect to the SAP HANA. So if we go here and if we give, after that if we want to use the SSL, we can click on this checkbox and then we have to give the host name. So we will give the host name, we will give the instance number. Then we will click on next. In this window, we will get the parameters for the SAP HANA database connection. So we get the connection pool mode, we get the pool timeout, array fetch size, array bind size, login timeout, JDBC driver properties. So if we want to specify any of these, we can simply put these values according to the requirement. And then we click on finish. Once we click on finish, it will create the connection, relational connection to the SAP HANA in the local project. So we can see here that it has the extension .cnx. After that, if we want to test this connection, we can click on this and we can see that the test is successful. Similarly, if we want to do any additions in this, we can click on this edit and then we can change any property which we want. Now this connection is local into my IDT project, but I have to save it to the repository. So how I will publish this to the repository? So first of all, if I right click this connection, I get this option of publish the connection to a repository. So by this time, this connection is only locally available to me, but it is not available to the other users for use. If we want to publish this connection, then only the other users will be able to access it. So we will click on this publish connection to the repository. And here we have to provide the BO username and the password. So here I will put the username and password for BO and then I will connect to the BO repository. Now it will ask me in which folder I want to save it. So here I have to specify the folder in which I want to publish this connection. So if I go here, if I expand the connections folder, so I have n number of connections into my repository. But let's say if I want to publish it in the main connection. If I click on finish, it will publish this connection to the repository. So I will say yes, I want to publish it. Now I can see that my extension is changed to CNS. So the .cns extension is for the secured repository connections, whereas my CNX is for the local unsecured connections. So if we use this connection, it will not allow us to publish anything to the repository. So if we want to publish anything to the repository, we have to publish the connection, and it has to be the secured connection with the extension .cns. So in this way, we can create the relational connection using the SAP HANA, and we have to create this connection using the IDT tool. Thank you.